Hi, this is Bob from Plugable Technologies. What I'd like to do today is showcase a typical problem that some of our customers run into when they connect one of our USB video adapters or USB docking stations to a television. And when they do so, they wind up seeing that some of the information gets cut off around the borders. So you can see in the upper left-hand corner, I've got a picture of a TV that I've got hooked to my laptop with one of our USB adapters. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to it so you can see it in more detail. It's showing our Plugable website in the Chrome browser on Windows 10. And if you look in the lower left-hand corner, you can see that the taskbar is cut off. You can just see it peeking out on the bottom. And if you look in the upper right-hand corner, you can see you can't reach the controls to minimize the window or close it. Well, what is that and what's happening? It's basically the TV itself having a setting that controls how images are displayed on screen. So for example, this TV is an LG TV and I've got the remote in my hand. I'm going to hit the menu button and I've got all different options and I'm going to select the picture option. And on this particular television, the way to change how this information is displayed is with the aspect ratio setting. Right now it's defaulting to 16:9 is my option. I'm going to go in and change that. And if I just arrow down once to the just scan, you can see, both in the lower left corner and the upper right corner, that now I can see all the elements of the window. Let me get out of the menu so we can see it. Again, top right corner, I can see the minimize, the maximize, and the close buttons. And in the lower left-hand corner, I can see the start button and all the icons in the taskbar. So what is this? I mean, what's going on here? Let me go back to the menu, go back to picture. All the different various television brands, Samsung, LG, Sony, you name it, have different ways to determine how information is scaled to fit your display. Now this can help make things fit when they don't, or in this case, sometimes make them not fit. What confuses the issue is that every manufacturer calls this setting something different. It's in a different location in the menu, or the individual items, as you can see, I can scroll through them here, may be called something different, and they may do different things. As you can see, as I go through them, all the different types of behavior as it resizes the display. Let me go back and put it back to the correct one. Get out of the menu. So why is this important? A lot of times customers may email us and say, hey, this isn't working right. Is this a problem with the adapter, or is there something with the software driver? No, it's just really a matter of changing your TV to display the information so everything fits properly. Now, let's say, for example, you don't have that option on your TV. It's maybe an older television and you still want to make it work. Well, we've got another option. If you have just one DisplayLink connected display connected to your system, the DisplayLink utility allows you to manually change these settings. And we can do that by coming down here to the DisplayLink icon in the taskbar, right-clicking, and selecting Fit to TV. Now what it does is exactly what the name implies. You can see on my desktop that I've got options to make changes, and on the television itself you can see there's a red border showcasing how things are going to be moved. So I can click the minus twice and you'll see that border changes in size on the one axis and again on the other, and if I click apply, you can see that it's actually shrunk the image on the TV, and as a result it actually took the window, which was much bigger, and moved it to my desktop. So I'm going to minimize that window and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to reset it back to its defaults. And now everything fits as I would expect. So that's just a simple introduction to the different settings on your television that can make all the content fit using our adapters. Thank you for watching.